Oh yeah, welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the hype beast bartender, and it's time to make the mango chili Mexican candy, y'all. So first you're gonna need your cup of ice. Oh yeah. All right, then first we're gonna add that chili mango from Buzzball. Followed by a mini packet of tahini. All right, then you're gonna hit it with a shot of Patron or any tequila. And then followed by 2 Smirnoff Spicy Tamaran.
Yeet.
The first one. All right, followed by the second. All right, then fill it with the mango Doritos. Bam, get that out of here. All right, time to give it a mix. All right, time to try it.
Oh, ooh, this mother.
Oh yeah, y'all. This will definitely get you lit. This is good. This is Ono, y'all. Especially with that chili, with that mango, y'all. There's a little spice to it. It was delicious together. Let me know in the comments below. To the next, bro. B. Boozing time, baby. Aw, yeah.